This is one of David Ellis's audio, Olympic Project. He's going to be on the show next week talking Bigfoot. This one is titled, Mr. Grumpy Vocalizes Again, and it plays 5 times in a loop, so here we go. Not sure how well you can hear this one, but a number of whoops out in the background. I think we played this one last week. Maybe this one will be a little bit louder. Actually, that's a new one as well. Another whooping sound there. This one is a quick growl. It loops 5 times. These are awfully quiet. I will boost the audio for next week's show. I'm kind of looking through all of these right now. Here is a moan on a loop. You can hear it right there. All of these are looping, so that's not 5 moans in a row. Let's try one more. Voice, 3 shouts, thumps, and noise, 5 times on a loop. Here we go. So there you go, some very, very interesting noises. I will try to boost the audio for these for next week's show.